what this is. Hey, that's not supposed to be the real answer. Dog shit. Yo, check that. Yo, pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Yo, in the face. Oh, hi. Hasta vista. Hello, this is Bo from Building with Bo. And I'm doing another Lego video. I'm going to teach you how to build it. So, and also I just need to grab something like this. And I was doing that just because it's my sister Sandy's birthday donation 2010. And she was first in 4th grade and now she's in 5th and now my other figure hope. She's 11 and a half. And it was just her birthday like today. And then now she's in 6th grade. So today I'm going to teach you. So let's get building here. If you don't know the pieces, too bad. But it is kind of awesome. Right. So when I'm done with this video, I need to clean up and it's more clean. My Lego room is more cleaned up. I can do more videos. So let's get started. So we first start with this piece. And then we have this little peg. And put it in that hole. Just like that. And then we get a little peg and put it on that hood. Just like that. Now there we go. And then we put this awesome piece on. And these little 2 holes right there. These pegs in these little holes, these holes go through those pegs just like that. That's called a speedboard. It rides on it. And then finally, once again, it's about to go in the stinking trash can. P.U. I'll get a fame from this stupid trash can. Okay, I'm gonna pop the trash can. There we go. Once again, survive the stinking trash can. So let's get the building here. We start with this. Yes. Which is his body. And then we go with this leg, these legs. Now I'm going to get up closer so you can see all the details. There you go. Now you can see. Terrifying. They're terrifying. Because they're terrifying. But you don't care. There we go. And then we got a little piece like this. Wait, what's supposed to be this first? Then this? No. So then we grab this little piece like that once again, and then we have this little fire thing. That one right in that hole, like we always do with our wire we build. the little piece. And the another birthday thingy. See? Yeah, let's put it on. Whoop! Now look at him. Wee-ah! Here's our killing truck machine. And then finally, we got this key. We got the something. Can't begin with some of the home when I like I said in the last one that has some of these capes. So let's plan on that. But it's gonna be hard with my stinking, the stink of stench and holding my nose. This is the worst escape I ever seen. This is so. Maybe because it's from a swamp. This is too stinky. This is too stinky. Okay, I'm back. I'm not fainting anymore. And wowee. Here you go. And then we put this hat. So then we can put that on the ground. Trying to knock it the stinky cape off once it comes because of the okay. And then we grab this smiley face or the mad face. This is Warrior once again. Let the pot be mad face. Yeah. You want to see my baby little face? Then here. I'm just hanging out. Mini upside down. That's my shirt. So then, finally, we put the mad face on. Now that's what a warrior is. Yee-haw! Woo, 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 woo. And then we put his little face on. Don't worry, guys. Now, oh yeah, here's a total bird warrior. And then, you know in Minecraft there's iron swords. He's gonna have an iron sword. So start with this little piece. Look like it's black on the screen. There we go, silver. And put this little silver stick in this hole if we can. There we go. It's not in all the way. There's this iron sword. From my battle thing, from Bo's masterpiece over there I made on my table in the living room. Now let's get his sword on his hand. And ring the bell. That's how you make a total warrior. So then we're going to put him on a speedoer. And then you can just speed away. You can just speed away and say, flappy, flappy all the way home. There we go. Here's the speedoer. So, this is here. And I know it's been extra long for you. And I know you like long videos, guys. But if you're in a hurry and you're going somewhere, well, you might like short videos more like a lot of the getaway and yeah, all sorts. So, bye! Hey. Yeah! Yes, fine! Hey, that's supposed to be your last induction. And by the way, open the vista. Pew!